Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back.
Woke up feeling good, I think I'ma put my wig on. Show them how I stun. I just might go off. Or maybe I might even let my curls hang from my back. Cause I look good like that.
What's good, y'all? So, we have this beautiful hair from Hermosa here. I'm gonna leave the actual details on exactly what texture it is, what length, all that down below. Okay, because we just gonna hop right into this hair install. You already know what I'm saying. This is got to be, that's why I'm pulling my shit off like that. Oh, we don't talk about it. Swipe away whatever it was in here. Clippies in the back. Clip that shit so it can be secure, bitch, okay?
I like to hear people talk shit in the beginning of really long intros. Cause then it just gives me something to listen to. Yeah. Woke up feeling good, I think I'ma put my wig on. Show them how I stun. I just might go off. Or maybe I might even let my curls hang from my back. Cause I look good like that. Baby, I am just too bad and I'm a 2 for 1. Honey, baby, when I switch it up, it's a flex that I could pull up out your sunny look. Ain't no cap, it's in the stats, baby, go check your books. Hey, I do what I want. Pigs will fly before I give a fuck about a bitch opinion, cause the world is in my palms. These bitches make me nauseous, but niggas gotta be cautious. I
Put a little bit of water in it. Break up these curls, so I already washed it and all that, so I'm really not gonna put nothing in it, you know? But as you can see, the curls are like real defined and I want them broken apart, so I'm not gonna brush that anything. I look good like that. Baby, I am just too bad and I'm a honey, baby, when I switch it up, it's a flag that I could pull up out your city look. Ain't no cabs in the stats, baby, go check your books. I think I'm gonna put my wig on, show them how I stunt. I just might go off, or maybe I might even let my girls hang from my bag. Cause I look good like that. I am too damn bad to know.
No snakes up in your garden. Y'all could keep that whole shit. I can't lose my focus. Bitch, I'm on the grind. I gotta keep this paper flowing, you know. I love to pop my shit. A bitch ain't checking shit. I said it before, yes, I'm the man, but I'm still that bitch. Heavy on my queen shit. Drag a bitch when it is needed. I'm invested to the cream. Bonnie is the only man of my dreams. And y'all be too damn tender, that's a mood kill. Can't relate to certain shit because I'm too real. And I can't fuck with y'all bitches, no, I'm too chill. Baby, just know I'm too chill, oh yeah. Woke up feeling good, I think I'ma put my wig on. Show them how I stun. I just might go off. Or maybe I might even let my curls hang from my back. Cause I look good like that. I am too damn bad to know. And you know that I'm a 2 for